Where did you get the name Anthea?
I don't know. My father got it.
Is it a Greek name?
Yeah,
He likes Greek mythology.
not really.
He just likes the name.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the question. I'm glad that Boboy Garovillo is not hosting this pageant with girls as tall as this. But anyway, supposing that the people you meet abroad could not tell a Filipino apart from other Asians, you know, to some other people, other races all look alike, no? What would you do to enable them to tell the difference? In other words, paano mo ipalalabas yung pagka-Pinoy mo?
Gagawin ko yung kung ano ako. I'm a Filipino. Papakita ko sa kanila na Filipino ako. Yung kung ano ako ngayon, yun ako.
And when you're natural, the natural Filipino shines through, right? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Candidate number 19. Yes, you know, you practice good. Elaine Calva, candidate number 19. All right, here we go. After finding out that you qualified as a candidate, you did something special. Can you tell us what that special thing you did when you found out that you would be candidate number 19?
I found it na... At first, I feel nervous because I don't believe mapapasama ako sa Binibining Pilipinas. And then, na-join ako dito.
What did you, anong ginawa mo? Meron isang chismis daw nakalagay dito na you did something na meron kang ginawa na iba sa lahat. Ano yan?
Maybe the most na ginawa ko is yung pinakita ko yung the best ko. That's all. Thank you.
She gave her best. Thank you so much. All right, that's good. That's good enough for me. Candidate number 19, Elaine Calva. Thank you, ladies. Very, very...
21, Sarina Catherine Gatponton, Manila Bulletin's Reader's Choice. Mr. Goran Alex.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
If given another life to live,
Pia works back. Another crowd favorite. Would you like to say anything before we start?
I'm just really happy to be here tonight. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time and now I'm finally here. So thank you. Thank you very much.
All right.
You're looking beautiful.
All right. And your judges.
Senator Juan Edgardo Angara.
Good evening, candidate. Okay lang ba Tagalog? Can I ask it in Tagalog?
Opo, pwede ko rin pong sagutin ng Tagalog kung
Sige,
gusto
sige.
niyo po.
Ano yung... Very good. Ano yung pinakamagandang leksyon na maituturo ng isang babae sa buong mundo?
Ang isang leksyon na maituturo ng babae sa buong mundo ay yung tiwala sa kanyang sarili, yung intuition po na tinatawag natin. Pag meron ka pong intuition, alam mo po sa sarili mo kung saan mo ilulugar yung sarili mo sa mundo. Kahit na hindi ka sigurado sa nararamdaman mo o sa naiisip mo, pero kung alam mo sa intuition mo, then magiging successful ka po sa kahit anong gawin mo sa buhay mo. Should I say it in English for the other judges? I don't know if there's enough time, but intuition, it's very important. Thank you.
Thank you, Pia.
Thank you very much.
Next Binibini is Binibini 8 from Angono Rizal, Curly Nicole Budol. Pick a judge. You pick Mr. Cecilio Asuncion. Hello po.
Hi. A beauty pageant is a space for transformation. What has been your biggest character transformation since you joined? And how could this make you deserving of a crown tonight? Gusto mo mag-Tagalog ako?
Pwede po.
Sige. Mag-Tagalog tayo. Ang beauty pageant ay isang lugar para sa transformasyon. Anong transformasyon na importante ang nangyari sa iyo habang nandito ka sa Binibining Pilipinas?
Maraming salamat po. Para sa akin, isang karangalan na nakatungtong ako dito sa Binibining Pilipinas bilang isang binibining hindi inaasahan. Para sa akin, ang sarap palang mangarap. Ang sarap mangarap. Walang imposible. Isa po akong komedyante na laki sa hirap. At ang aking transformasyon ay ang magbigay ng inspirasyon. Because I know for myself that I am beautiful. Because I know for myself that I am uniquely beautiful with a mission. Salamat po.
Thank you.